So, hello and welcome to the Maple Lounge. We're at Engage 2018 in Rotterdam. I have with me at this point Jason Gary for a quick chat.
Hey!
Jason is with HCL and he is tasked with bringing some awesome new technology to Domino 10. So maybe tell me very quickly about, you're tasked with Node.js, right?
Well, I'm tasked with a lot of things. So I'm the Vice President of Emerging Engineering and Innovation. So I'm sort of responsible for everything that's going on the top of Domino 10 and beyond. And some of the things that we're maybe cooking on the side as well. So a lot of very exciting things that are going on. And you're right, we are using Node.js, Express4, Loopback, React, for that matter, of course, Redux with it, and Redis, and all of these open source technologies to really bring the power of Domino 10 into the future.
Yeah. And so, me being one of the graybeards and not a whole heck of a lot of hair.
Look at me.
Well, point being, I've been around the Domino community for a long time, and there's been a sense in the community that we need to do things with Domino in order to make the current generation of technologists open to the idea of using Domino. So that's part of what your mandate is?
It is. If you take a step back and you think about where Domino hit its pinnacle, let's say in 1998, 1999, with 5 and a bit of beyond, so 506, 507, it had everything you needed to develop something, right? You had a directory, you had an IIOP, so you could go and connect to remote objects. It had a relatively robust web engine at the time for its date. It had a low-code RAD environment that you could go and build things, a designer, an administration console. It could do all sorts of things. The challenge, though, is that those were what you needed to develop software in 1998. But you need a whole lot of additional services today to really create the compelling user experiences that people expect. So what we're trying to do, and what I'm really trying to do, is to take all of those pieces we don't have in Domino and bring them in.
Are there any specific goodies that you're most excited about?
I'll tell you, and I'll share it with the viewers. There's one exciting thing we're doing that's not even announced yet, but I'll give you a little tease. HCL is going to sign a partnership with a major university in the United States around natural language processing, translation, tone analysis, and artificial intelligence. And you will see some of those technologies come into Domino and be available for developers to leverage and utilize in their apps, including taking things like existing Lotus script agents and bringing AI into them, not rewriting them.
That's kind of exciting.
Stay tuned on that.
Yeah. All right. Well, you know what? Thank you very much for your time. This has been awesome.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Okay.